Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the double S symbol on an Android, or basically on a Samsung keyboard. A Samsung keyboard is the easiest way so you can get this double S symbol, because on most keyboards you have to go on to like you have to go on to the symbols and on the next page, and from the next page you're going to keep holding on to one of the symbols that really look odd. But on Samsung it's pretty easy actually. So how we can do this is actually, first of all, I need to find a place to write in. So I'm going to go basically on Samsung Notes, and I'm going to click on New Note. Okay, once I click on New Note, I'm going to click on the writing, and then if I go onto my keyboard, now if you go over here to the symbols, you're just doing it wrong. You're not going to find it here, but actually, you're going to find it if you hold S. If you keep holding S, you have all the bunch of different S options. Which one of them is the double S? Basically, it is this easy. That's the easiest way so you can get the double S symbol is on Samsung keyboard. So I would recommend for you to use it. So this is basically, guys, how you can get the double S symbol. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.